In today's world, we all carry various burdens. Some are visible, while others are felt or heard. Stoic philosophy guides us on how to lighten these loads. In this video, we will explore 7 key elements you should quietly remove from your life. These elements will relieve you both physically and mentally, and help you eliminate unnecessary burdens to make your life more meaningful. Remember, every step you take to change your life is crucial on the path to a happier and more peaceful future. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now, I invite you to take the first step towards a happier, less encumbered life. Section 1. Relationships, types of people to remove from your life and why. Relationships are one of the fundamental building blocks of our lives. However, some relationships do nothing but weigh us down. Stoicism teaches us to evaluate our relationships with an objective perspective and to remove those that pull us down. Here are some types of people you should consider removing from your life. First, you should distance yourself from consistently negative people. These individuals always view situations pessimistically and infect their surroundings with negative energy. Their attitude makes it difficult for you to maintain your inner peace and positivity. Second, it is important to end relationships with manipulative people. These individuals often use others for their own gain and see their emotions as tools to be exploited. Relationships with manipulative people can have long-term negative effects on your mental and emotional health. Third, reconsider your ties with dishonest people. Honesty is a cornerstone of a healthy relationship. If someone continuously lies or deceives you, there cannot be a healthy foundation in your relationship with them. Lastly, evaluate your relationships with people who do not support you and who are constantly critical. Everyone needs supportive and encouraging relationships. If the people around you are always criticizing and fail to appreciate anything you do, these relationships could be hindering your growth. By removing these types of people from your life, you increase your chances of forming healthier and more supportive relationships. Freeing yourself from these toxic cycles and adopting a stoic perspective, you take a significant step towards true happiness and peace. Section 2. Habits, recognizing harmful habits and how to eliminate them. Our lives are often a reflection of habits we acquire, many times without even realizing. Stoicism teaches us to become aware of harmful habits and to abandon them. Here are some detrimental habits you should consider eliminating from your life. Firstly, getting rid of the habit of procrastination is key to enhancing your quality of life. The "I'll do it later" mentality keeps you from your goals and the tasks you wish to accomplish. This habit disrupts time management and leads to increased stress. Secondly, the habit of constantly complaining is also harmful. Continuous complaining nourishes a negative mindset and drains the energy of those around you. This affects both your own and your peers' overall happiness. Thirdly, excessive perfectionism can be dangerous for both your mental and emotional health. Striving for perfection at all times can lead to feelings of disappointment and inadequacy. Instead, learning from your mistakes and appreciating the process is a healthier approach. Lastly, overindulgence in social media and technology is a harmful habit. Excessive use of social media can detach you from real-life relationships and meaningful interactions. This habit can increase feelings of loneliness and prevent you from spending time on truly important matters. By eliminating these harmful habits, you enhance your chances of leading a healthier, more productive, and happier life. Stoic philosophy teaches that such changes begin only with awareness. Be honest with yourself and acknowledge which habits are detrimental to you, then gradually start to abandon them. Section 3. Emotional burdens. How to rid yourself of past emotional baggage and why it's important to let go. Throughout our lives, we accumulate emotional burdens that weigh us down and hinder our progress. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of shedding these burdens and guides us toward a more mindful peace. Here are ways to let go of emotional baggage from the past. The first step is to confront your past experiences. Evaluate these events with an objective perspective and recognize what you have learned from them. Sometimes, continuously reminiscing about past events turns them into a burden. Instead, accept that these experiences have shaped you into the wise person you are today. Secondly, utilize the power of forgiveness. Forgiving is crucial not only towards others, but also towards yourself. Forgiving yourself and others lightens the emotional loads of the past and allows you to take healthier steps forward. Thirdly, review your emotional connections. Some emotional ties can become unhealthy over time. Identify these bonds and, if necessary, end these relationships to create a healthier emotional space for yourself. Lastly, learn to manage your emotional burdens through meditation and mindfulness practices. These techniques enhance your awareness of the present moment and help you shed the weight of the past. Letting go of past emotional burdens moves you toward a freer and more peaceful future. Stoic philosophy teaches that such changes strengthen us both mentally and emotionally, making our lives more meaningful. By freeing yourself from these burdens, you truly step into renewal. Section 4. Material burdens, unnecessary material things, and why you should get rid of them. Material burdens occupy not only our physical space, but also our mental and emotional realms. Stoicism advocates for freeing ourselves from unnecessary material loads to live a more liberated life. Here are some material burdens you should consider removing from your life, and why it is important to do so. Firstly, review items that you no longer use. Many of us keep things under the belief that they might be needed one day, even though we don't currently need them. However, these items clutter our living space and keep our minds disorganized. Donating or selling items you no longer use can both expand your living space and help you achieve mental clarity. Secondly, it's important to sever emotional attachments to material goods. Sometimes, we assign emotional values to certain items and keep them solely for the sake of memories. These material attachments perpetuate emotional burdens from the past and hinder our progress. Objectively assess the emotional value of your belongings and part with those that are not genuinely significant. Thirdly, question your luxury consumption habits. Luxury items are often seen as status symbols and can lead to unnecessary spending. Identify your real needs and sources of happiness and invest in these rather than in luxury consumption. Lastly, we can accumulate material burdens in the digital world as well. Subscriptions, apps, and digital content can also become burdens over time. Canceling unused subscriptions and practicing digital minimalism can reduce costs and help you escape the chaos of the digital world. By taking these steps, you enhance your chances of leading a lighter and more liberated life, both materially and mentally. Eliminating material burdens is a cornerstone of the Stoic lifestyle and brings us closer to true happiness. Section 5. Mental barriers, overcoming self-imposed limits and recognizing these obstacles. Mental barriers are internal blockades that prevent us from improving and limit our potential. Stoicism encourages us to recognize and overcome these barriers, as true freedom can only be achieved by doing so. Here are steps to help you overcome self-imposed limits and how to identify these obstacles. Firstly, question the "I can't do it" mentality. These thoughts often stem from past experiences or the words of others. However, each new situation is different from the past, and previous failures should not obstruct future successes. Strengthen your belief in yourself and approach each new experience with a fresh perspective. Secondly, avoid the trap of perfectionism. Perfectionism creates a pressure to perform tasks flawlessly, unnecessarily exhausting you and limiting your creativity. Instead of striving for perfection, accept that doing things well enough is also acceptable. This approach allows you to be less stressed and more productive. Thirdly, do not fear change. People often fear the unknown, but growth and development require continual change. If you are not satisfied with your current situation, embrace change and take steps to explore new opportunities. Change signifies new beginnings and possibilities. Lastly, avoid constant self-criticism. Self-criticism often lowers our motivation and diminishes our self-confidence. Be your own biggest supporter and engage in positive self-assessment. Celebrate your successes and learn from your mistakes to move forward. These steps will help you recognize and overcome mental barriers, enabling you to live a more free and fulfilling life through a Stoic perspective. Section 6. Social media and technology. The role of technology and social media in your life and how to use these tools more consciously. Technology and social media have become integral parts of our modern lives. However, their unconscious use can negatively impact our mental and emotional health. Stoicism promotes the mindful use of these tools. Here are ways to use technology and social media more consciously. Firstly, limit your social media usage. Allow yourself specific times during the day to use social media and devote the rest of your time to more productive and meaningful activities. These restrictions can help prevent social media addiction and strengthen your connection to the real world. Secondly, review your notification settings. Constant notifications can distract you and increase your stress level throughout the day. Adjust your settings to receive notifications only from applications that are truly important. Thirdly, improve your time management by using technology consciously. Prioritize tools related to work or education and limit those used for entertainment. This not only helps you become more productive, but also reduces technology dependence. Lastly, allocate time for digital detox. Periodically stepping away completely from technology and social media allows for mental rejuvenation and reduces your stress levels. These breaks enable you to focus more on real-world relationships and personal well-being. By using technology and social media consciously, you can support a stoic lifestyle and make your life more meaningful. These tools can enhance your quality of life when used correctly, but if left unchecked, they can take over your life. Section 7. Work and Career. Ways to exit draining work environments and career paths. Work life is crucial for personal development and well-being. However, sometimes work environments and career paths can drain us and diminish our quality of life. Stoicism teaches the wisdom of maintaining a healthy work-life balance and how to exit environments that consume us. Here are ways to step away from draining work environments and career paths. Firstly, evaluate whether your job makes you happy. If your work consistently generates stress and dissatisfaction, it can harm your physical and mental health in the long run. Consider making changes for the sake of your happiness and health. Secondly, learn to manage your workload. Overworking can lead to burnout. Keeping your workload at reasonable levels and asking for help when needed can help maintain your work-life balance. Thirdly, reassess your professional goals. As you progress in your career, question whether your goals align with your values and other priorities in life. If your current career path does not satisfy you, be open to exploring opportunities in different fields. Lastly, pay attention to your relationships at work. Building healthy relationships in the workplace can reduce job stress and increase overall job satisfaction. If you constantly experience conflicts and negativity at work, it may be a valid reason to consider changing your workplace. Exiting draining work environments and career paths can be a daunting step, but with a stoic perspective, these moves can lead you to a healthier and happier future. Trust in yourself and your abilities, and progress towards creating a work environment that unleashes your true potential. Our lives are shaped by the burdens we carry, both physical and mental. The teachings of Stoicism enable us to shed these burdens and lead a lighter, freer life. Each section of our video has provided you with ways to relieve these burdens. From relationships to habits to work life, the changes you make can render your life more meaningful and manageable. I hope this information positively impacts your life. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Share your thoughts, experiences, or what other topics you would like to see in the comments section to keep in touch with us. Each of your comments is valuable and will guide us in shaping future videos. Remember, Stoicism is not just a philosophical thought, but also a practical guide for a better life. Let's step towards a more conscious and peaceful life together.